One of the most powerful pieces of advice mentioned by 32 students focused on gaining practical experience in industry through co-ops and internships. This isn't just about adding a line to a resume, remember it. It's about transforming your entire educational experience and seeing your coursework in a whole new light. Internship is a more familiar term, but what is a co-op? A co-op, that is short for cooperative education, is a structured program that often alternates semesters of full-time study with semesters of full-time paid work in industry. Typically, co-op programs add an extra semester or more to your college timeline, but the trade-off is that you gain hands-on experience that a single summer internship might not provide. You get to apply your classroom knowledge on the job and then return to campus with fresh insights that make your coursework more meaningful. Employers also tend to view co-op experience very favorably, since it shows you have worked on real projects for an extended period. From my years of working with both students and industry partners, I can tell you that real-world experience is incredibly important. When students come back from a co-op or internship, they often show a noticeable change in how they tackle the course material. Those stories we talk about in class suddenly have real-world applications, and everything seems more relevant. In fact, many of them have started to consider themselves as professionals in training, not just students. Just a very short point, but very important one. Don't limit yourself to just one internship. The more, the better. Each experience offers unique lessons and chances to grow. Plus, people in workplace are usually more open to mentoring you because you're not competing with them for a job. That said, remember to approach every opportunity and everyone with humility. These professionals have years of experience to share if you show genuine eagerness to learn. Here is something that might surprise you. Employers often value experience more than grades. That's why it's critical to start building your portfolio from day one in college. Every project you complete, whether it's for a class, a lab, or an internship, can demonstrate your skills to future employers. Be sure to document your problem-solving process, highlight the tools you have used, and present your results in a clear, polished manner. However, be mindful of NDAs, that stands for non-disclosure agreement. If you have worked on industry projects, always check with your supervisor before including them in your portfolio. In many cases, you won't be able to share specific details, but there is often a way to briefly document your contribution without violating the terms of the NDA. I recently spoke with a recruiter who confirmed that companies are particularly interested in the projects students tackle during their university year. So far, I have mentioned portfolio so many times. Why not pause this video right now and create a portfolio folder on your laptop? Trust me, having concrete examples of your work to discuss during job interviews can be a real game changer. Though, please come back when you are done with it. But what if you don't have any project yet? No worries. Start by undertaking some personal projects and documenting them thoroughly. You can also reach out to your professors. They always have opportunities and can offer valuable projects for you to include in your portfolio. Building a strong portfolio takes time, but it's one of the best investments you can make in your future career. While searching for internships or co-ops, don't forget about your campus career services office. They often provide resume reviews and mock interviews, networking events, or career fairs, job postings, or employer partnerships. Visiting career services early, ideally in your freshman or sophomore year, can help you refine your resume, sharpen your interviewing skills, and figure out which internships might fit your interests. Networking with industry professionals might unlock some opportunities that you might never stumble upon otherwise. Other resources that you can use to search for internships and co-ops are LinkedIn, Indeed, Simply Hired, also internships offered by government agencies and public institutions such as NASA, Department of Energy, Department of Defense, national labs, also agencies and organizations I listed in the previous section, such as American Society of Mechanical Engineers, also career pages for companies of your interest, such as GE, Boeing, Tesla, IBM, John Deere, CAT, Lockheed Martin, and many more companies. And if you want to experience more exotic ones, you may use international agencies such as IAE, STE, AIE, SEC, AIFS abroad. Sorry, I know, too many acronyms, but I'm sure you can easily find them. Let's summarize. Start pursuing industry opportunities today to accelerate your professional growth. And don't forget, prepare your portfolio. It's very important. That wraps up the 7th section. In the next video, we'll discuss staying mentally resilient, why maintaining a healthy balance is key to academic success, the science behind the sleep and learning, and how to navigate challenges with the right mindset and support systems. See you in the next video.